Now we're at step 2 of element 3, which is all about focusing on the transformation from a sales lead to an ideal buying client. You've created your content structure within element 1, and then you've created your information within element 2, which means you need to just now put it all into your sales funnel framework and get it out to the world. Once you've launched your sales funnel and start attracting new sales leads with your lead magnet and getting them to provide you with their email address, you will have the proof that you need and the confirmation that your product or service is in demand. Then, as these new sales leads start consuming your information, you've earned the right in step 2 to transform them into ideal buying clients. Step 2 is all about converting your sales leads into profitable sales and generating a return on your marketing investment. Hi, my name's Christian Fumic and welcome to Fresnel, Evergreen and the Growth Funnel Journey. This channel's all about helping you learn how to create the perfect lead magnet and sales funnel for your business. It's time to get your warm sales leads implementing your product or service strategies. As soon as your sales leads convert over to ideal buying clients, you become the go-to authority within your chosen field of expertise. You begin to build trust, develop long-term business relationships, and slowly transform the balance away from the old limiting model of trading your time for money, where you spend your time talking to just one sales lead at a time, and instead transform over to a leveraged one-to-many model where you start talking to hundreds of sales leads at the same time. And when you can increase the amount of sales leads that you're talking to, then you can start generating a consistent, predictable, and profitable revenue growth. Which brings us on to webinars that are a very efficient way of leveraging a one-to-many framework. Instead of spending 20 minutes talking to just one sales lead, you'll be able to spend 20 minutes talking to hundreds of sales leads. And that's why webinars are an amazing way to educate and convert your sales leads in the same time it would take just to convert one sales lead. As soon as you have a steady flow of sales leads entering into your sales funnel and they are consuming your content, it's the perfect time to get to know them on a live webinar. Not only do they get to listen to you live, but they can ask you as many questions as they want. And these questions could be the sort of things that are holding them back from becoming your ideal client as well. It's also a great way to get feedback from them. You do this through the use of quizzes or questionnaires or surveys. This means you use their feedback and answers to make your lead magnet content more specific to their pain and their gain. By asking questions and seeing how they answer, you can start to use their answers in your content to attract more of the same ideal clients. This is where your sales leads start to help you increase your conversions simply by listening to their feedback and providing more of what they want. So let's jump on to the next video. But before we do, if you have any questions, once again, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are committed to providing you with the very best online lead magnet and sales funnel learning experience. It's all available on our website, so go check us out. I've also included links below this video in the description area to our free ebook guide that comes with a free introduction course that covers everything you're going to need to know. Okay, so thank you for letting us be a small part of your learning experience. The truth is, sales is a numbers game and a conversion game. And we help you increase your sales leads numbers so you get more conversions and grow your business. See you soon. Thank you.